Oh, 2011. 2011. Nice one. Shall we finish this stack of coins before we turn that one over? Why not? Tease you that little bit longer. Okay, another coins to collect video. 50p coin hunt, £250. This is the third of the second 23. Anyone's guess what's inside this bag, really. Let's go through the book, actually. I haven't done this with you guys for a little while. So on the first page, I'm missing suffragettes and Kew Gardens. But this year, we're still missing WWF, badminton, boccia, boxing, canoeing, and equestrian. I need to find a goal ball, a judo, sailing, shooting, and table tennis. What else we got? Oh, right, so volleyball on that page, and wheelchair rugby. That pesky 2018 Peter Rabbit. And then that should be it, I think. We've got 70th anniversary Pride, and we've got the memorial coin, and we've still got that base metal proof 70th anniversary Jubilee Queen's coin, whatever you want to call it. Yay. Right, okay, let's get into this. Right, let's go on right to the back here. Have we got pre-tears? No, we don't have pre-tears. Where's the little... Right, never mind. First bag. I've seen Britannias and Shields already in this bag. Let's see what we got. Britannia, Shields. Quick look at the date on that one, 2019. I'm still looking for 2020 Shields. I've got one now, but I'd like to find more. 22 Shields would be nice, wouldn't it? If they came out. I don't know if they exist. I don't know if they exist. Anyway, what was that one? 2014. There we go. That's our first commemorative, very diversity built Britain. I was going to say a very interesting, but it's not very interesting at all, is it anymore? Anyway, never mind. Second bag. Well, a couple in that second bag. Battle of Britain. Very nice. Let's check the portrait. It's just a JC portrait. So, very nice Battle of Britain. Very nice design. Great coin. Put that down there. And now Benjamin Bunny. There we go. Should we check the die rotation of this? Yeah, it looks to be good, unfortunately. There we go. Found a Tiggy Winkle in that bag. 2016. Put her above Jeremy. Not Jeremy, Benjamin. Getting me Jeremys and Benjamins mixed up. Well, we've had a few bus bags there, but we found another Benjamin Bunny. Just give him a quick flip over. Benjamin Bunny, Queen, yay. All good, unfortunately. And then we also found a Public Libraries. There we go. Right, another bag. There we go, King Charles. That'd be nice if this was a Windrush or a NHS, wouldn't it? There we go. It's a memorial coin. The Queen Elizabeth II memorial coin. Cool to see it. Still cool to see it after the coronation, especially. Oh, an Ironside. There we go. Forget what year Ironside is. 2013. Yeah. Ironside down there. Anything else in this bag? Like I say, we've had a few bust bags. So it's not good. Never mind. We've still got plenty of bags still to go. A Brexit. There we go. Cool. I guess if you like words all over coins, it's a cool coin because there's a lot of words on that one cool coin. Oh dear. Silly boy. Hey, Paddington at the station, very nice. And I tell you what, that's in good condition, that one. That is very nice. Put Paddington over to the right there, a little bit of a Paddington corner. Mind you, I haven't been very good at finishing Paddington corner lately. I think I've only done it once. Maybe twice, I'm not sure. I did see a libraries again in this bag, but not as nice as the first one. Never mind. Oh, we got a pride. Take pride in your coin hunts. There we go. Oh, 2011. There we go, look, 2011. Nice one. Shall we finish this stack of coins before we turn that one over? Why not? Tease you that little bit longer. We turn Queenie up the right way and flip it over. What are we missing? Sailing, shooting, judo, of course. Come on, judo. Volleyball, wheelchair rugby, boccia. Anyway, lots and lots are missing still. Turn it over. Sailing! Sailing! I need sailing for the book. I need sailing for the book. Whoop whoop! Nice! Yeah! Woohoo! Oh, it's totally worth it now. A boring hunt just become unboring. A boring hunt just became a oh, whatever. Whatever, babbling. Whoop whoop, one for the book. Nice one. Another Paddington at the tower, which is cool because we can add that to Paddington corner. You never know. Hopefully, fingers crossed. We might. Well, I don't know if we'll complete it, but we'll get another one hopefully for it. Get a cathedral, very common. Oh, 2014 Commonwealth Games, isn't it? There we go. Commonwealth Games. It's all right, fine, but I'd rather find some different Commonwealth Games. Some £2 Commonwealth Games would be nice. Oh, very nice. Beatrix Potter anniversary. There we go. That's going up the Change Checker scarcity index, isn't it? A few places. I was watching a video today, and they said that one was a riser up their index, rising up their index. And the I didn't know, but the judo is the Olympic coin I struggle to find. It is the most elusive for me, but I didn't realise that after Kew Gardens, that's the next highest on their scarcity index. Well, 50p's at least. So no wonder I can't find it. It's rarer or scarcer than a football. There we go. Diversity. There it is. There. So yeah, still looking for judo. I've got 3 other sets. Oh, Roger Bannister. There you go. Run, Roger, run, Roger, run, run, run. Sorry about that. So yeah, I've got my main coin album, Change Checker album. Obviously got a full set of Olympics in there. I've now sold my secondary album. So I think that's the only full set I've got now. That one set in my Change Checker album, and then I've got this book and 3 other sets of Olympics that I'm just missing judo. So if I want to sell a set of Olympics, first of all I'm going to have to buy a judo or 2 or 3 from eBay, but I guess the price of those is going crazy, I should imagine. Oh, I did think that was going to be another bust bag, but right at the end there we found a People's Act. Nice one. And then that's our last bag. So we've had quite a few bust bags in this video. I've lost count of how many. I was trying to count them up, but I've lost count. What was that? Oh, another Britannia fallen on the rest of the coins. So yay, we got an Olympic for the book, which is what it's all about, isn't it? Collecting these coins. That's what it says on the tin, as it were. Coins to collect. Bust bag to finish. Bust bag to finish on. Oh well. So we got some bunnies there that I'm going to sign and put back into the wild. I may keep the memorial coin. Of course we're going to put the sailing into the album. I might even start being more proactive in keeping this. I've got a few of these. I think I'm going to keep that as well. Do I keep the memorial 50p? I think it's about time they started going back, actually. I think everything else is going back. Maybe we're going to chuck Paddington at the station back. And the Tiggy Winkles. Yeah, they can all go back. But let's get this sailing in the book. Let's get it in the album. Another one ticked off the list. It's a nice one. I love the grid patterns on the Olympic coins. So like your volleyball, your tennis. What else is there? I do like badminton as well, actually. Yes. Yeah, I don't know. I just like I love the grid patterns and stuff. Anyway, that's just me. There we go, another Olympic goes in the book. Whoop, whoop. Bit of sailing. Oh, judo. Gotta find that judo. Well, there you go. Done. Another hunt finished, over and done with. Okay, so I'm going to actually do, I've got about 3 more bags here. I've got to do another 3 hunts, I think, tonight. Get this money back in the bank tomorrow. Anyway, so I'm off to do that. Thanks for watching to the end, guys. Subscribe, like, notification bell, all that stuff. Until the next video, please keep looking out for those coins to collect. Yay.